Welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to withdraw crypto Bitcoin from Pocket Option to your Cash App account. So first of all, you need to log into your account and then you need to click Finance in the left menu and go to the withdrawal. In this case, I don't have enough balance, but you will see this kind of page. In the top will be your balance. Here will be the minimum withdrawal amount, which will be $10. And in the payment method, you need to choose Bitcoin BTC. Once you will choose the Bitcoin BTC, then you need to enter the amount of Bitcoin you're going to withdraw from Pocket Option to your Cash App account, and you need to provide your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address. If you don't know how to find your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address, I will show you where you can find it. So you need to take your mobile phone, go to the Cash App, click the bank icon in the bottom left menu. In this menu, you need to find Bitcoin and you need to scroll down until you will see deposit Bitcoin, get your Bitcoin address. You need to click right here and it will show you your Bitcoin wallet address. And then you need to copy this wallet address and paste it in the Pocket Option. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.